Good morning students. Today we are doing the part 11. So look here in this part 11 of the set topic. This is the 11th video of this topic. So in this part 11 we will do disjoint sets, difference of sets and complement of a set. So three things we will understand today and we will do much practice for these three operations. These are actually operations are. So look here which type sets will be pair of sets will be disjoints that will do, differences of the sets we will do, and complement of sets will do. So hope you understand these. Now we will do the disjoints sets. If set A and B, if set A and B are two sets such that A intersection B is null set, then A and B are called disjoint sets. We have two sets whose the intersection is null set, then they are called the disjoint sets. We take an example. A set is given to you 2, 4, 6 and 8. These elements we have. In set B we have 1, 3, 7 and 9. 4 elements here also. Now we check the A intersection B. So any common elements in A and B we have? No, so means A intersection B is null set. So A and B are disjoint sets. Now some more example we will take. That here A is given to you, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. B set is given to you, that elements are 4, 5 and 6. Now here this 4 you can see, this 4 is common element of A and B. So A intersection B is 4, that not a null set. So this pair is not disjoint. Similarly we check the second. Here A is given to you, the elements are A, E, I, O, U, and the B set, second set is C, D, E, F. Here intersection we find, intersection means the common element is E. E we have in both, so here the intersection is E, means that is not a null set. So this pair of sets is not disjoint. Look at one more example we take. We have two sets here. These two sets you check the intersection. So here intersection nothing we have, means this is a 5 null set of this intersection. So this pair of set is disjoint. So hope you understand. Now we will do the differences of sets. Difference of set, what is? The difference of two sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. Means A minus B will be, you write all the elements of A that are not belongs to B. Okay, all of you understand? Means you write X such that X belongs to A and that X should not belongs to B. We take one example, then you understand. Here A is given to you, A set is given whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B set is given to you, their B set whose elements are 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you write A minus B. A minus B means you write the elements of set A which are not belongs to B set. Means here you can check 1 is not belongs to B, then 2 is belongs to B, so you not write here 2. 3 is belongs to B, no, so you write here 3. Then 4 is belongs to B, 5 is not belongs to B, so you write here 5. Now 6 is belongs to B. So only the three elements, since the elements 1, 3, 5 belongs to A but not to B. So this A minus B is 1, 3, 5. Now if I write the B minus A, B minus A means from B you write the elements that are not belongs to A. 2 is belongs to A, 4 is belongs to A, 6 is belongs to A, and 8 is not belongs to A. So B minus A is 8, since the element 8 is belongs to A but not to A. All of you understand this? Means you write A minus B and B minus A is not equal. Now we will do the complement of a set. What is the, and A is the set of, A is a subset of universal set. Look here, here let U be the universal set and A is subset of U. U means universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. Means how you write A complement of A complement write by A dash, or you write A power C. Both you can write any one format. So what is the A dash or A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to universal set and X is not belongs to A. Means you write all the elements of the universal set which are not belongs to A. Means you can write U minus A also. So hope you understand this. Now next, here universal set is given to you whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10. Then you have to find A complement. Means A complement means you will not write these elements in universal set. Means 1 is belongs to A, so you not write. 2 is not belongs to A. Then 4 is not belongs to A. Then 6 is not belongs to A. 8 is not belongs to A, and 9 is not belongs to A. So we note that 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 are the only elements of U which do not belongs to A. Means A complement you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Some properties also we have A complement and again complement, you find that you get A only, and A union B. Complement will be A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement will be equal to A complement union B complement. Now complement of null set will be universal set, and complement of universal set is a null set. So hope you understand this. Look here, one more question we will take. If universal set is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and A is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, B is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8. You have to find here A union B whole complement. So first of all you find A union B. A union B means this is the A and this is the B. Okay, then you have to write the union. Union means you write all the elements of A and B. You will not repeat any element. So you write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 8. So this is the A union B. Now you find the A union B whole complement. Means from the universal set you will not write the A union B elements. So look here, A universal set is this and the A union B set is this. So you write here 1 we cannot write because 1 is also belongs to A union B, 2 is also belong, 3 is also belong, 4 is also belong, 5 is not belong, so you can write here 5, then 6 is also belong, 7 is not belong, so you can write 7, then 8 is also belong, 9 is not belong. So here only 3 elements 5, 7, 9 are belongs to universal set but not belongs to A union B. Now one more example you can take here. Look here, A universal set is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8. B is given to you 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. So first you find A intersection B. A you write as it is, B you write as it is, and intersection means common. Common element is here 2. 2 is the common element. So A intersection B we get 2. Now A intersection B whole complement, that is the left hand side, that we write means from universal set you will not write only 2. So you have this, the A intersection B whole complement is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for right hand side, what we find first, A complement, that is universal set minus A. Universal set you write minus A you write. So you will get here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 that are not belongs to A. So this is the answer, that A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now B complement is from universal set you remove the B elements. So you will get here 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 that are not belongs to B. So here we get B complement is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 set. Now you will find the A right hand side is what is? Right hand side is A complement union B complement, that you write first A complement, then you write B complement, and union means you write all the elements of A complement and B complement, that is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So look here, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side, and both are equal, means we can say here left hand side is equal to right hand side.